going to update the severe weather situation here in Northeast Ohio. The activity mostly from this afternoon has gone east into Pennsylvania, but there are still some thunderstorms that we're watching. Here's Storm Fox Doppler radar, and you can see some of those storms now down in Ashland or Richland County. And we'll get a little bit closer on those weather systems. There is a new warning down there, and we'll show you the particulars on that. It includes, of course, Richland County till 9 o'clock, so 20 more minutes. Hail of 1.5 inches is radar indicated, and wind speeds over 60 miles an hour possible. And we're talking around Blooming Grove, Cache, Shelby, Weller, those areas in Richland County. Meanwhile, what about the hail? We're going to get a little closer in on those, some of those thunderstorms here before we go much farther into the weather situation. But for folks out in northern Richland County, that's a pretty good thunderstorm there. Let's see if we can find out any of the hail size, and we'll query that and see how large the hail is. According to Doppler radar estimates, there you see 1-inch hail north and west of Shelby, over 1-inch hail as well as you work your way up to the north and west of that. And that potential hail size, the storms that are producing it, down farther into Columbiana County and also western Richland counties. So we're still watching the storms, but the good news is things have really quieted down from earlier. There you see the thunderstorm. That was a pretty good shelf cloud down there in North Canton that came through, along with a thunderstorm and very high winds. This is a look at our visible satellite in high resolution. You can see those thunderstorms bubble up in the afternoon heat out ahead of the main cold front itself. Well, by golly, we hit 90 degrees today, and that is the first 90-degree temperature, the hottest day of the year as well, that occurring just before 2:30 this afternoon. The normals are 76 and 57, so of course it's been hot. We didn't hit a record. That was 95 degrees. Sunrise 5:56, setting at 8:55. Temperature futurecast, it will definitely not be anywhere near 90 for tomorrow. Temperatures begin in the 50s. In fact, by 2 o'clock, only a 63, and we may not even see a 70. So what a difference for sure. There will be some rain showers associated with this cold front. In the wake of it, there's enough instability and a little ripple of low pressure moving along the front that will keep the potential for a few showers going. Then skies clear. By the afternoon, we're looking at sunshine moving in from west to east. Of course, the eastern parts will be the last to clear out. So thunderstorms will be ending tonight, and we'll end up with a few scattered showers left over. Not a soaker, but there will be some nuisance raindrops in the air. Mid to upper 60s for high temps on Thursday with scattered showers. Again, the afternoon does look better, and we're hoping to break out into some sunshine after that. Here's the Fox 8-day forecast. Low 70s on Friday. In fact, the 8-day for the weekend here looks spectacular. In fact, highs in the 70s with low humidity. We're going with a 73 on Friday with sunny skies. Saturday, a few high clouds, the high 69. We're not going to make it out of the 60s. Sunday, partly sunny, 77. And there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms on Monday with a pretty defined weather system coming in. 77, mid-70s on Tuesday. Showers are likely. Then on Wednesday, partly sunny, few showers around. It doesn't look like a big deal right now. 74. And the potential for a couple of showers too on Thursday with a high of 71 degrees. So a little bit unsettled next week, but boy, the timing on these weekends in terms of beautiful weather has really been spectacular. All right, everybody, we'll keep our eye on the remaining thunderstorms that appear to be in their waning phase right now for the rest of the night. Hope to see you tonight on Fox 8 News at 10. Till then, have a great night, everybody.